Where are you taking it? You're going to lay out here in front of everybody eating on a goat. And they're going to just say, cool, brother, you got a goat. Share it with us. Look. Now, Phoebe's creeping around. No, ma'am, you ate yours already. Princess eyeballing you with a big old dead animal. Did you want some? Are you going to eat it? You better eat it. She's going to get it. Look, she's eyeballing your meat. Why did you bring it in here? Eat it. Do you want Princess to help you? There's 2 big bones in there. It was like a hip joint or something. I couldn't get it apart. You have to do that. It's your job. You're the dog. I can't do it. Eat it. It's yours. Did you already eat a whole bunch of the goat meat that you can't fit anymore in your stomach? So why didn't you just leave that in your kennel? We could have locked it in there. Because she's looking. She's looking. She's looking. There you go. Barking. You're the only one that has anything. You brought it in here. If she's watching you, it's because you brought it in here. Take it back in your kennel. Take it back in there. She's not doing anything. She's just sitting there doing her anal glands I did yesterday. Why? Eat it. It's yours. Good thing I'm carpet cleaning this weekend, leaving that nasty thing on my floor. Well, I'm sure you guys will all lick it off the floor. It'll be carpet cleaned. Is it a challenging bone? You having a hard time with this one? That's weird. I've seen you down Cornish hens like it was nothing. He sniffed it and then licked it some more. You're funny. He keeps moving away from it. What are you doing, goofball? Do you want your sister to help? Do you want Princess to help you? She's just laying there. She's just watching you. Phoebe's watching. They're waiting for you to get up and walk away and leave it, and then they're going to pounce on it. What are you going to do? You want to give it to the girls? Do you need Phoebe's big old teeth to help you? Princess's big old jaw to help you? It's a big job, but you can do it. You already ate half of the thing. Are you full? You want me to put it back in the refrigerator and save it for dinner? We can save it for dinner. All right, I'll bag it up and put it in the fridge with your name on it. You can eat it at dinner. Fair enough? Okay. Guess we're done with this for now.